This is Dr. Masters thanking you for clicking on to today's mini consultation. From time to time throughout the world, nature displays how very powerful she is. An awesome display of power can and should cause people to pause and realize that in the final analysis, it is nature, not the human mind or the personal ego, that is ultimately in charge. Behind all the power displayed by nature, of course, is the mind spirit of God's presence. Always keep this in your awareness when considering your own life. That is, that God manifesting through you and nature is really in charge. When something good happens in your life, it is not because of your personal ego, but in spite of it. It is not because your personal ego made something happen, but rather because God allowed it to happen. This means the more a person is attuned to God's will for their soul in this lifetime, the better their life will be. God's presence within you, working through your body, mind, and soul, with ultimate power and creativeness, is your real source for good in your life. With this in your thoughts, let us turn inward. I turn inward to the very center and nucleus of my mind, that Christ mind conscious point of contact where my soul is in an eternal state of oneness with the mind and spirit of God. Here in the light of higher awareness within myself, let me realize that the awesome power of nature displayed periodically on this earth is a reminder that the real power that it really exists is nature's power under the guidance of God's mind and spirit. That in our own individualized lives, it is that power alone that makes the difference. That whenever anything good happens to us, it is not because of our personal ego that somehow made it happen, but rather that God allowed it to happen. Therefore, each and every day, we should attune ourselves to God's presence and will working in and through us, that we may then be in harmonious cooperation with God's will. To do this each day, we meditate upon the presence of God as the ultimate life within us, and we turn over our personal ego and its will to God's presence and will working in through our mind, body, and soul. As we do this each and every day, God is in charge, and we are more attuned to move with the ebb and flow of what God is presenting to us as opportunities and as goodness in our lives to improve the quality of not only our own life, but the lives of others who depend upon us and with whom we have contact. For this realization, this day or any day, we give thanks. We let it be so, and so it is. Activating success energy frequencies in your mind is a very, very interesting subject, the current subject of our weekly complimentary video broadcasts. available to you 24/7 on universityonline.tv, having begun on Sunday, October 28th, and continuing through for the following week, 2 through Saturday. Be certain to watch and invite friends, neighbors, relatives, and associates to watch this very interesting and revealing subject with you. Also keep in mind that universityonline.tv has mobile versions designed for smaller screens of tablets, smartphones, netbooks, and other handheld devices. So whether you're at your computer at home or wherever you are, we can be there with you. Thank you for joining with me today, and be certain to click on again tomorrow for a new mini consultation. In the interim, may God bless you and those you love today and this eternal moment of always.